Except that I don't have a beer right now. Hey guys!
Hello Shwetambari, this is What Makes Your Home Home by Vaaree.
Oh my god, welcome home! I'm really excited to show you my little space.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Tell me more about your favorite corner at home.
Okay, my favorite corner is right here, the couch, where I first come and sit down as soon as I walk into the house. And the other one is my garden right outside. It's so green and gives me the calm I really need every day.
Is there a special thing or a very personal thing that you have in your home?
This home, my husband and I never really intended to buy a home. And then when we actually intended to rent this home, we walked in and we loved the energy. And then when the previous landlord said, we're selling, we actually did everything to get our funds together to buy the home. And I think the most special part about moving into this house is 2 years later, I had my first child, Yona. And yeah, I had my baby when I turned 40. So I think that's uber special. And this house has been everything amazing. This one right here is a misfit. It doesn't belong here, but because I have a little one, well, I need to keep this here. She tried teaching me some stuff, but I'm terrible at it. Maybe in a few years. Whoa, not bad.
So Shwet, what is your favorite place to unwind after a very busy day?
My garden. It's taken me a while to get it done and make it look so green, but it's my favorite place because after a 10-12 hour day, this really gives me the calm I need. And one of my favorite things is the bonsai with that little Buddha down there. Then I have my beautiful temple tree, which came in 4 years ago as a baby, and now it's so huge. Makes me feel so good. And the last one is my swing. I love chilling on this.
So if your home could talk, what would it say about you?
Oh, when are you coming home?
Can you tell me more about the artwork behind you?
Oh yeah, that's a special one. I think it's probably over a decade or so. A friend's friend made it, and it's like a hand-me-down given to me by my best friend. I've treasured it right here on this wall because the first thing I see when I wake up and come down is this. And it, again, really calms me and grounds me.
Is this your ultimate movie night setup?
Yes. Except that I don't have a beer right now. This is... yeah. Beer, popcorn, this recliner, and my husband.
So Shwet, what makes your home your home?
I think it's all the little things that have come together over the last 5 years. It could be this furniture right here, this table which was a hand-me-down, the garden most of all. This place was so different when we came in, and what we could really create out of this. Every little thing that has come together has a memory, something that we can always speak about, and that makes it the most special.
And here's a little something from Vaaree.
Thank you! My daughter and I love unboxing gifts, and this is going to be exciting. But most importantly, thanks Vaaree. I think the whole experience of shooting this was wonderful because I just got to talk so much about my home and the special moments, experiences. So thanks for making this happen. Don't go anywhere yet. I'm going to take you to my gym. So my third space actually feels like an extension of my home now that you just saw a little bit of my home. And how I really conceptualized or planned it is I wanted a space that seemed non-intimidating. We have women up to like 70 years of age that work out here, and that was pretty much my goal for this place. Make a lot of women a whole lot stronger.
What's your favorite workout playlist?
It's called Disco Lines. It's a DJ mix, and that's something that I play all the time when I work out.
Tell me your current favorite track from this playlist.
Training Season by Dua Lipa. Just excites us.
Can you share a funny gym story with us?
Okay, there are quite a few, but I'll tell you the funniest one. While we were coaching, someone being in the mountain position and farting. I don't think it can get funnier than that. But on that note, you better leave now because I have to get my training in. Thank you.